What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2007 Toyota Corolla here, and I'm going to use this car to point out to you the location of the fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse, and also another relay that powers it. And I'm also going to show you something about the ignition switch that you can check out. And these are all things that you're going to want to look at if your fuel pump's not running on your Corolla. So to start with, under the hood, there's going to be a 20 amp fuse right here. Now this fuse is the Efi fuse, not to be confused with the Efi number 2 fuse. This fuse is what actually provides power to the fuel pump. And it does provide power to a few other things, but the fuel pump is the main one. Now, there's a relay that energizes whenever the key is in the on position, and it's controlled by the computer. And that's going to be the Efi relay right here. So when this relay is energized as controlled by the computer, it passes power from that 20 amp fuse to the actual fuel pump relay itself. So I'll show you where you can find the fuel pump relay. So normally on your Corolla, there's going to be a piece right here. So if you want to get this removed, you just open it and pull out at the bottom, and we'll get it separated here. Now your fuel pump relay, it's kind of hard to get to, but it's going to be that first blue relay right there. There's actually 3 relays in this location, but it's going to be this first one right here. You can try tapping on it, and there are other relays you can swap it with if you're able to get it out. So that is your actual fuel pump relay. When that relay is energized, it sends power from that other relay and fuse I pointed out to you to the fuel pump. Now, what energizes that relay? That relay is controlled by your ignition switch. So I've got the bottom cover removed. There's a screw right there and a screw on either side of the steering wheel. You may have to turn the steering wheel in order to get to it, but it's going to be these the black-white wires. They both come out of pin number 6. These should be energized when the key is in the on or start position. And these wires energizing, one of those goes to the fuel pump relay and activates that. And the ground to the fuel pump relay comes from the computer. So yeah, I hope I've given you enough information to, troubleshoot this. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice about troubleshooting the fuel pump or the fuel pump relay on your Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching.